This is John Lohr. I'm with the County Resource Guide, and today I am at the law firm of Gruccio, Pepper, Santo, and Ruth. And we're talking today with Lee Hughes. He's a criminal defense attorney. And could you share with us today, Lee, some of the things that you provide for people and some of the areas that you service in the field of criminal law?
Sure. I am a certified criminal trial attorney. I have been practicing criminal law for 30 years. I've appeared in all types of criminal matters, and from the old days when they did capital murders. I was on the capital trial team. Fortunately, they don't do that anymore in our state. All the way down to the smallest speeding ticket, because sometimes an extra 2 points is the difference between having a license or not. It's a thing that I do. Basically is that I know that people are charged with crimes. A lot of times for first time, it's always serious, and it pays, I think, to have someone that not only knows the criminal law, but knows the system. And by knowing the system, I mean I've appeared in so many courts and so many places that I'll probably know the judge and have appeared in front of them. Definitely know a lot of the prosecutors, and I think that not only helps the case itself to move fairly and expeditiously, but it also can provide a sense of comfort for the client that I'm familiar with, not only the charge, not only the law, but the folks that are on the other side that are going to be.
Sure. So, in other words, relationships are very important, just as important almost as the law itself.
In some cases, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because if you have someone that you've tried cases with, they're going to know that you're experienced, they're going to know that you know what you're doing, and they're going to know that if they're going to be able to negotiate with you, myself for my client, them for the state, that they've done so with me before for a fair result. And I think that a lot of the feeling out of each other that occurs a lot of times, in particularly a criminal matter, you don't get with me, because I've been there, and it's very comforting, I find, sometimes for the client when we walk in, that the prosecutors will know me on a first name basis, and they pretty much at that point know that I'm competent, and they know that I'm going to be fair with them.
That's great and very helpful. Just name a few more areas that fall into the type of drug offenses.
Absolutely. Drug charges anywhere from possession to distribution. Distribution in our state doesn't have to be that you're actually caught distributing. They can infer distribution just by a certain amount that you would have. So I know all the inner workings, of that particular area of the law, as well as white-collar crimes, burglaries, robberies, anything that along the gamut.
Well, this is very important for our readers and listeners. Thanks for sharing with us today.
Okay, thank you.